Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your brain study faster. Begin with one clear goal and set a timer for 25 minutes. Remove phones and silence notifications to protect focus. Use a simple checklist to track progress and reward completion with a short walk. Keep hydration and breathe deeply to reset attention. Repeat cycles and gradually increase intensity while keeping breaks consistent for sustained gains in mental speed. Start by identifying when you feel most alert and schedule your hardest learning then. Apply active recall by testing yourself instead of reading notes, and space reviews over days for better retention. Batch similar tasks to reduce transition time and resist multitasking that fragments attention. Track small wins to build momentum and keep routines predictable. Over time, these habit changes will make study sessions faster and more efficient without burning out. Fuel your brain with balanced meals and stay hydrated to maintain steady focus and energy. Take short movement breaks to increase blood flow and reset concentration when fatigue appears. Use practical tools like a timer, flashcards, and a low distraction playlist to streamline study flow. Keep your workspace tidy and use a single notebook or app to avoid scattering notes. Small environmental tweaks add up to faster, cleaner study sessions overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.